Where are we going, Ian?
We are going to Leicester Square to look for theater tickets.
Yes. Where are we now?
We are on, this street is, wow, kind of forget, but we are on a street that's on our way to school.
It's right next to our school.
And this is an amazing food market that has an insane variety of cultural food, and it's really good.
Yeah, big fan. All right, successful ticket haul. What'd you get?
I got a ticket for The Exorcist on Thursday.
Which I saw and was awesome. He got really
Yes.
good seats. We'll be able to see Reagan's face
Super excited.
up close. It's scary. And then I got Book of Mormon tickets. And I've been waiting to see that for years. That'll be hilarious.
Wow.
Really excited for that. And together, tomorrow, we're going to see a Young Frankenstein musical, which we've heard a lot of good things about. And we got really good seats. They hooked us up. Looks awesome. Good haul.
The ends of the guitar strings to the claves used for Latin American rhythm. And then he approached his victims from the rear, looped the wire over their heads, and... Ooh, how terrible. Very clever. As we jazz lovers say, this routine is murder.
Is that you kidding me? This it just automatically play yours.
Yeah.
For the very first time. In Charles Dickens' words, if we've got any Charles Dickens fans here, it was the best of times. But that meant being here on any given evening nearly 300 years ago, nearly 130 years ago, we would have seen up to 300 women stood outside of this church working.
Walking out of Young Frankenstein, the musical, what did we think?
It was hilarious.
It was-
It's such a good
It
experience.
was. I am
Honestly.
extremely happy we went.
Yes.
As a fan, the book is in my top 5 ever. The movie is in my top 5 to 10 comedies ever. And just going into this, it was like the perfect storm of John, and it couldn't have been better. It was perfect for me. Just the music
Oh my
was
gosh.
awesome.
Yes.
Like so catchy. Like I'm gonna listen to the soundtrack.
I am too.
And it was just freaking hilarious. I
It
mean,
was.
every single performance was just
So well
amazing.
done.
So well done.
Yeah.
All right. Great.
Incredible.
Very happy. Heading to a play called Young Marks. Loving the commute. We got Tower of London over there, and we got Tower Bridge right there. We get to cross that to get to the theater. Still giddy about this city, even though I've been here for almost 2 months now. So excited for this. Late night, Wednesday, actually Thursday morning, awake for Game 7 of the World Series. I'm really hyped. I haven't watched any of the games because I'm a fake fan, but I'm up for this one. Go ahead.
up? It's Friday afternoon. Just got back from a walk in the beautiful Regent's Park on a nice fall day. It's pretty awesome. For the rest of the day, it's going to be very, very relaxed. I have to start working on a school project it's like a research project about a borough in London, and I'm doing the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, so I'm going to start working on that. Maybe watch a movie with people, but besides that, just hanging out today, so nothing really to vlog, so see you tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm going to the Imperial War Museum, and then maybe other stuff, so see you then. What's up?
Not much.
Where are we heading?
I don't know.
Where are we heading?
Fireworks. Guy Fawkes
Fireworks for it's called Bonfire Night, to celebrate a failed terrorist attack by this guy named Guy Fawkes, who wanted to blow up Parliament, which that's pretty bad. But we stopped him.
Well, we did.
I'm saying we now, like I'm from here, but no. The great Londoners stopped them. And
Yes.
now we celebrate with fireworks. Sunday night, back in the flat again, doing my normal spiel that many of you have heard many times. Editing the video you guys just watched. It's a good week. Did a good amount of stuff. Saw some different parts of the city. Saw some fireworks. It was pretty awesome. Next week, it's gonna be kind of a normal week again. I have to work on a project, so I'll be doing that for a lot of my time. But Thursday night, me and Ian my flatmate, will be taking a very, very, very long bus ride to Amsterdam. And we'll be there for 3 days. So definitely be getting some good footage there. So look forward to that. Thanks for watching. See you then.